Let's get it. I'm doing another freestyle. Haven't done one in a minute. Check out that beat though. But let's get it. Ain't the richest nigga alive, but I'm still living. You feel me? Let's get it. FOE, BOE, BOE, FOE. You should know the fucking team. Da 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 da. Ta. For the squad. And you know I finna mosh with a guy. Man, I lived that life and I been getting high, but I know what was right, but I still did wrong. Man, I chose the wrong side. I know I was dumb, but I didn't give a fuck. I was rolling with a gun, but I really noticed that I still am a thug, even when they take it away. Man, I'm from the fucking Bay. I don't know why y'all hate. I'm only 14. I was out there struggling when I was only 13. I didn't even know what to do. Man, my mom left me on my own, but that shit crazy. I was hustling real hard. Didn't give a fuck, I wasn't afraid to bust. Man, these niggas luckin' up. Man, they try to take me out when I was smoking trees. Them niggas shot at me, 2 clips empty, but they all missed me. I'm still living, man, they can't fucking kill me. Hell no, I'm just healing. Man, thanks to my pops, cause he took me in. He know I was doing wrong, but I asked God to forgive for all the sins that I did. That shit real crazy. Why y'all hate me, little nigga getting paid? I'm just trying to chase my dreams, trying to do me, trying to really be something. I didn't have nothing, I didn't have no money, didn't have nothing. I was out there all bumming, just really fucking struggling. They didn't see the shit I had to see, man, that shit was crazy. Niggas getting killed, man, I seen that shit daily. And it hurts deep inside, but I can't let the pain out, cause I will cry. But real niggas cry, and fake niggas, they niggas that hold the pain inside. So I gotta let it out sometimes, cause through the rough times, everyone wants to let it out, but they too scared. But never be afraid, you should already know. I did fucking cry a couple times on the road, cause I know what I did was wrong. And I knew one day I would be gone in my grave, but I'm still waiting real fucking patient for them niggas to come take me. But they didn't get the job done, so I know they mad and they wanna come get me back. Yeah, I did fucking beat one of the niggas' ass, but look at me, man, I'm still standing my grounds. And in no town, and you know I stay around and I ain't fucking with them clowns. If you fuck with the fam, man, I'll lay your ass down. Don't really give a fuck where y'all niggas say y'all from. I don't even care, and I ain't even scared, man. Y'all better beware when you see me, cause I'm rolling and I'm smoking. All these hoes, man, they home, man, my niggas fucking blowing. Fuck where then you going, I don't really give a fuck where y'all say you from, cause a thug is still a thug, even when you take his gun. Let's get it, FOE, BOE, that's the team. You should know that I'm a G. And I'm only 14, and there ain't no stopping me, man. I swear I ain't going. Let's get it, little young stoner. This shit real, my nigga. True story, I swear to God.